here is Listen for Bells, and I'm going to be adding the chords in the left hand in a broken chord. So first I'm going to start with my right hand, and I put my hand in D position. Now I look at the left hand and I see that it starts with a D major broken chord. And then I have a 5/7 chord that I'm going to need. Here we go. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Now when I put the hands together, I'm going to do a little step to make it easier. I'm going to add a block chord instead of the running chords. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Now the last chord feels like this chord, but there is no so. It's just do and mi. Okay, and here's where we want to get to.